This is what a brand new head looks like. So it's got a black painted shiny finish. So obviously the old head, the finish is gone, so I'm going to have to put another one on there. And I want to make it anti-stick, so the only option I have is to polish it, and that'll be it. That's the head in the raw state, just lightly cleaned, same as the barrels at this stage. I'm going to have to work out what sort of surface finish I'm going to put on there to stop the corrosion. The exhaust port also has to be cleaned up. I can't leave it like that all full of carbon. So it's just a matter of doing the same as the head. Now on the exhaust port I put a small red line, and I can go up to the top of that red line. It's a clean up line, but I can't go beyond it. Now this is where I put an upside down piston up the barrel just to check for light, and if you can see the light coming through just to the left of centre. Now when you flip that barrel around you can see that that protrusion down is exactly the same on the other side, so that's just got to be trimmed away a little bit. Also I did a lot of finger checking to make sure it's all smooth, all part of the process. And no matter what tools I have, sanding is still part of that polishing process as well. Now once that's done, you notice that there are still little black marks here and there, and that's where the casting marks are lower than where I want to go. I'm not chasing them down, otherwise I have ripples, so if they're just deeper, that's like it is, so be it. So once that's done, I then also have to just do the little decompression hole as well. This is the finish I've settled on for the head. It's a little bit shinier than the barrel, but that's okay. What I did was I degreased it, then put in a bucket of hot truck wash and soaked it for a while in case there's any salt in there. Then I scrubbed it, washed it again, and then painted with a light coat of 50/50 terps and penetrol. The idea is that that should get in and coat the corrosion. As you can see, I can't get rid of the corrosion. If I scrub it that hard to get rid of that, it'll take all the paint off, and that's not what I'm after. So I think that's the best I can do.